Okay, if you want to do the alternate procedure, instead of using a piece of paper and looking at the shadow of a pencil or a glue bottle or something like that, you can use a tall object that's on a fairly flat piece of ground, like a flagpole or a telephone pole or a street sign. The main idea is that it needs to be something tall and vertical on a fairly level piece of ground. Here we're using a flagpole, and what you'll do is at the tip of the shadow you place a rock or some other marker. If it's on concrete or something, you could put a sidewalk chalk or something like that, and just mark the location of the tip of the shadow, and do that every 5 minutes until you go from 11:30 till 12:30, or again until you see the shadow getting longer. And I use a rock or something like that, just as long as it'll stay in one place for the length of the measurement. And then take a tape measure and find when the shortest shadow occurs, and that will be your local noon. If you're going to do this approach to it, rather than turn in a piece of paper with the shadows on it, why don't you take a photograph of it and email the photograph in as part of your lab report.